I am going to cover how to compare and order rational number using a number line. Example 3 over 4 and 9 over 12. To compare these both fractional numbers, there are two options. Option 1, we can convert this number 4, the denominator. We can convert it to the number 12. Or second option, this denominator number 12, we can convert to number 4. Because both denominators should be same to compare the fractional numbers. We will see both options. Option 1. We will convert this number 12 to number 4. We can write this denominator as 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, and this numerator 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So here these factors are the same. We can cancel both factors. Answer is 3 over 4. Now we can see 9 over 12 is equal to 3 over 4. So both are have same values. Now second option, 3 over 4. Here denominator is 4. We need to convert it to the number 12. So we need to multiply by 3. We can multiply with 3 over 3. Final answer is 9 over 12. We can see again both the numbers are same. So we can use one of this method. Both have the same values. Next example is negative 9 over 4 and negative 5 over 3. We need to compare this one. We need same denominator values. Here we can see number 4 and number 3 is the denominator. We can convert both to the number 12. We can multiply number 4 with number 3. So answer will be 12, and here number 3 we can multiply with number 4. Answer will be number 12. First we will start with negative 9 over 4. We can multiply with 3 over 3. Answer will be negative 27 over 12. Next is negative 5 over 3. We can multiply with 4 over 4. Answer will be negative 20 over 12. Now both denominator are same, number 12 and number 12. So now we can compare the numerators. One numerator is negative 27 and other one is negative 20. So negative 20 is the higher value than the negative 27. So this is the greater value than the other one. We can write like this, negative 9 over 4 less than negative 5 over 3. Next example, we need to compare these all numbers and we need to put in order. Some numbers are fractions whereas some numbers are in decimals. We will convert all numbers to decimals. First number is already decimal. Second is the mixed fractions. So we can convert it to decimals. Number is negative 5 and 3 over 4. So answer will be 5.3 over 4. 3 over 4 means 0.75. So answer will be 5.75. We can convert in other way also. We will convert these mixed fractions to the improper fraction. So 5 multiplied with 4 is equal to 20 plus 3. That means numerator is 23 and denominator is 4. Its value is negative 5.75. Here third and fourth numbers both are decimals. Fifth number is 1 and 3 over 4. So value will be 1.3 over 4. So value will be 1.75. Or we can convert it by other way. Here 1 multiplied with 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Denominator is 4. So 7 over 4. Final answer is 1.75. Now last number is 7 over 3. 7 over 3 is equal to 2.33. We will put all numbers on a number line. Here the number line. On a number line we can see the 0 here. On left side of the 0 all values are negative. Whereas on the right side of a number line all values are positive. When we move left to right side of a number line, values are increasing. So here we can see negative 2 has greater value than the negative 6. On opposite, when we move from right to left side, values are decreasing. We put all numbers on a number line. First number negative 1.8, it will be here. Second number is negative 5 and 3 over 4. Its value is negative 5.75. On a number line, this value is here. Next number is 0.5. Here positive 0.5. Next is negative 3. It is here. Fifth number is 1 and 3 over 4. Its value is 1.75. Here positive 1.75. Last number is 7 over 3. Its value is 2.33. On a number line, it should be here. Now we can arrange all numbers in descending or ascending order. On this side, all the values are increasing. On opposite side, all the values are decreasing in this way. So now we can easily arrange. Here negative 5 and 3 over 4 is less than negative 3. Negative 3 is less than negative 1.8. Negative 1.8 is less than 0.5. In similar way, this value is less than this one and this value is less than this one. Hope this video helped you understand, compare and order rational numbers. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.